Today we will be showing you how to extract the tape from a DLT tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all OEMs and generations of DLT drives. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix a faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. You will start by using a flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the clear top cover that sits over the rear spool. At this point, you will need to choose if you want to rewind the tape all the way into the cartridge or if you just want to cut the tape. If you want to rewind the tape all the way, please keep watching from here. If you just want to cut the tape and remove it, you can skip ahead in this video. To rewind the tape into the cartridge, use a flathead screwdriver in the hole in the bottom of the drive to engage the front spool. Turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to begin winding the tape back into the cartridge. As you are doing this, keep your hand on top of the rear spool to keep it from spinning too quickly. Once the tape is fully rewound into the cartridge and the screwdriver cannot turn any further, you will need to locate the deck release lever on the front right side of the drive. Pull the lever outwards while at the same time lifting up on the deck release handle. This will release the tape for you to pull out. If you decided you want to cut the tape on the drive, please pull out some slack carefully and use a pair of scissors to cut the tape media. Then carefully pull all of the remaining media off the rear spool until you get to the drive leader. Carefully unhook the drive leader from the tape leader and allow the drive leader to retract back into the spool. Then locate the deck release lever on the front right side of the drive. Pull the lever outwards while at the same time lifting up on the deck release handle. This will release the tape for you to pull out. If you are returning the defective drive as a core exchange to the rocket platform, you do not need to reassemble the drive. Simply place the top cover back on the drive and ensure that all screws and other small parts are included in the anti-static bag with the drive before shipping it back to us. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from a DLT tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.